If you're looking to make some extra money without leaving the comfort of your home, then this video is for you. Hi, this is Sarah. Welcome to my YouTube. I'm here today with a new idea of making money from home with the Shein website. If you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or anyone who just likes to start a side hustle, this idea is great for you. I will share with you 5 different ways to make money with Shein website. Shein is a fast fashion online retailer headquartered in Singapore, and it was founded in 2008 in China. Let's have a look at the top 5 ideas of making money with Shein website. Number 1 is affiliate marketing. Shein offers affiliate marketing program where you can promote their products through unique links and can earn money. You can promote the products through your websites, blogs, social media, or your YouTube channel. You will earn commission generated on sales made through your unique affiliate links. Let me show you some examples where people are doing the same and they are promoting Shein products through affiliate marketing and making good money. You can see this YouTube video here with huge Shein accessories haul, and this video has 433k views. The YouTuber here has put the affiliate links in description. Anyone who watches the video can buy the products if they like from these links, and she will earn money from every single sale made. Another example here is huge Shein summer haul. This video has good number of views, and again you can see the affiliate links in the description. So when people watch the video, look at the products and they want to buy, they will just click on the link and they will make purchases. At number 2 is social media influencing. If you have a strong presence on social media, you can collaborate with Shein as an influencer. You can promote their products on different social media platforms as an influencer like TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. To become an ambassador or influencer of Shein, you need to have social media account or a blog. You need to meet the number of followers. Apply for the program by filling out the online application. Then Shein will check your online presence. Once accepted, you can start promoting their products and take part in the bonuses from Shein. Another idea to make money with Shein is reselling Shein products. Shein is delivering in more than 200 countries. You need to see if your country is one of those where Shein is delivering. You can buy Shein products online and you can sell them on different platforms like eBay, Amazon, and other marketplaces. Some people are selling them through TikTok, and some of them are selling on Facebook groups and Facebook Marketplace. Another idea is blogging or vlogging. You can create content on fashion, styling tips, or Shein hauls on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Let me show you examples of people showing Shein hauls on YouTube, and they're earning money through YouTube monetization. Not only through YouTube monetization, but also through affiliate links they put in the description of video. You can see this video here, huge Shein try-on haul, and this video has 18 million views. Another example here is Shein try-on haul, and this video has 12 million views. And the last example here, trying a full face of makeup from Shein, has 9 million views. The next at number 5 is the idea of drop shipping. Shein has changed some policies on drop shipping, but you can still do it. Officially, Shein doesn't do or allow drop shipping or reselling of their products commercially. However, on their website, they didn't say you can't do it. If you want to drop ship with Shein, take your own pictures and talk to the supplier first. Remember that success in these methods requires building an audience, marketing skills, and solid understanding of your target. The terms and conditions keep changing on these websites, so you need to make sure that you comply with the present terms and conditions whenever you start working with Shein. Each of these methods need effort, consistency, and possibly initial investment. So it's important to do your own research and plan before you start any of these methods. Thank you so much for watching. Please look after yourself and other people around you. Bye.